this is Mr. Hammond, and in this video we're going to take a look at Lynx. This is the second video. So the first video just goes over the basic writing tools. And in this video we are going to focus on being able to write over PDFs. You can write over PDFs using Adobe through the Clevertouch. Lynx is another good option for writing over PDFs and then being able to save it afterwards. So let's go ahead and get started on how to do that. So the easiest way to do this is actually starting from the home page. So it's already closed out for me, and I am going to access Lynx from the main screen. So we have all these buttons. We talked about the create button. So I'm going to use the open button this time. This allows me to open PDFs and other type documents. I am going to open a document that I've downloaded earlier. So we can see the PDF symbol here. So if I select, double click on that to open it up. So initially the default is that it's just going to show the entire PDF on one screen, which obviously that's going to make it so it's not real easy to read unless you have everyone circled up in front of the whiteboard. If you want to utilize the screen a little bit more effectively, what I would recommend is selecting the all of the pages. So this is a 7-page PDF document. If I hit this 1 out of 7 down here, it opens all of the pages to my left. From there, each page has a hamburger menu. So you can see the hamburger menu here. If I select that, right in the middle here, I have an option to how I want this to show on the screen. So right now, it's just showing the entire PDF on one screen. If I want to use the left and right effectively, I'm going to select the second option, which kind of spreads this out and utilizes the entire screen. You have some other options here as well. This kind of just goes top to bottom and it skews it to the left. I'm going to focus on, it feels like this option utilizes the space the best. So after I select that, I can go ahead and exit out of that. So from this page, you can't actually scroll up and down just by selecting the page. However, you'll notice it did add a bar over here, so I can scroll up and down. Oops, I'm sorry. I actually have to use my pen. So if I use my pen, I can scroll up and down using that bar. Now, as I write over this, oops, I got to pull up the writing tool. So as I write over this, and then as I scroll, notice that that stays with it. So if you were to save this for later, the writing will still be there. So whatever you decide to write there, scroll up and down, still there. So hopefully this is something that you find valuable. If you'd like to write over PDFs a lot from the whiteboard and you want to make sure you utilize the entire space, this might be a good option for you. So that is, again, Lynx. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please let me know. Thanks.